I never imagined that painting my front door navy blue would end with the HOA president being led away in handcuffs, but that's exactly what happened. It began last spring when I decided to freshen up my home's exterior. I followed the rules, reviewed our HOA guidelines, and found nothing restricting door colors beyond tasteful and complementary. So I chose a classic navy blue that matched my shutters and submitted my request. 3 days later, I received an email titled in all caps, "Violation Notice, Unauthorized Color Selection." Karen Wilkins, the HOA president and self-appointed queen of Oakwood Estates, declared that my blue door was disruptive to neighborhood harmony. She demanded I pick from her approved beige and gray palette. When I pointed out that those restrictions weren't in the official documents, she fired back, "The board has discretionary authority. Request denied." I wasn't about to roll over. I requested a formal hearing, which Karen postponed twice. When it finally took place, she produced what she claimed was a bylaw amendment banning bold colors for the past 5 years. But the document looked suspicious, mismatched fonts and a page that looked brand new compared to the others. That night, I called the former HOA president. He was baffled. "We never passed any color restrictions. We argued about it for months and dropped it." My suspicion turned into certainty when I checked the county records. The amendment Karen showed didn't exist. The official covenant only mentioned tasteful and complementary colors. I quietly confronted a few board members, who nervously insisted that Karen must have the correct version. Days later, I received a certified letter from the HOA, a $900 fine for fake violations like unauthorized decorations and improper garbage placement. It was obvious retaliation. Then came the last straw. Karen filed for an injunction claiming I was harassing the board, complete with sworn affidavits supposedly signed by my neighbors, the Johnsons. Only one problem: the Johnsons were in Europe when those signatures were dated. They were furious when I told them their names had been forged. That's when I hired an attorney. She looked over the papers and said, "This isn't an HOA dispute anymore, this is criminal." Together, we filed a countersuit and presented everything: forged documents, fake bylaws, and the Johnsons' sworn statements. Judge Marcus Rivera didn't waste time. During the hearing, Karen's lawyer painted me as a disruptive homeowner. But when my attorney showed the official county documents and the real signatures, the judge's tone turned icy. "These signatures don't even match," he said, holding up the papers. "Ms. Wilkins, did you personally witness these being signed?" Karen hesitated. "They were emailed to me, Your Honor." "Show me the emails," he demanded. She fumbled with her phone and claimed she couldn't find them. The judge's patience ran thin. "And these supposed HOA amendments, the county has no record of them." Karen started rambling about administrative delays. He cut her off. "This court takes a dim view of falsified records, Ms. Wilkins. I'm ordering a forensic document examination." When court resumed, the results confirmed everything. The amended bylaws were recently printed, not 5 years old, and the Johnson signatures had been digitally copied from old forms. The courtroom went silent. Judge Rivera stood. "Ms. Wilkins, please rise." Karen did, pale and trembling. "Based on the evidence, I'm dismissing the injunction against Mr. Lawson and referring this matter to the district attorney for investigation of document fraud, forgery, and perjury. Bailiff, take Ms. Wilkins into custody." Gasps filled the courtroom. Karen sputtered, "You can't treat me like a criminal. I'm the HOA president." "The law applies equally to everyone," the judge replied coolly. As the bailiff led her away in cuffs, the judge turned to me. "Sir, you're free to paint your door any color you wish. I suggest the remaining board members hold an emergency election." Karen looked back, her mascara streaked, muttering, "This isn't over."